We use lookup tables to change the color associated with an image or a channel. In this example, we're going to use BPAE green.tiff. Here we've got our grayscale image, and we're going to change this into a different color format, showing different colors for different intensities. So there's two ways we can change lookup tables, either under image lookup tables. We have the list here of the common ones and some other more specific lookup tables. Or you may also have a drop-down menu here, which is called LUT, which also gives you those options. For my example, I'm going to use fire. And obviously, because we've changed this from a grayscale image into a color image, we now need to change it from an 8-bit image into an RGB image if we're going to export it out and use it in other packages. So now it's RGB. We can file, save as, TIFF file. Let's go back through and open up the BPAE green.tiff image, and again we're going to turn this from the grayscale image and apply our lookup table. Again, in this example I'm going to use fire. You can use what you want, and the idea is to put a calibration bar within the image that shows and lets the person looking at it know what all the different colors represent. So to do this, we want to go into Analyze, Tools, Calibration bar. This brings up this dialog box, which allows us to put this calibration bar in either of the four corners or at the area that you last selected within the image. We can change the background color, so not black if you're using black text. You can change the label color, the size of the labels. Decimal points we don't need because we're on an 8-bit scale here, so 0 to 255 grayscale values. And make sure you untick overlay if you want that burnt into the image when you finally save it. So feel free to play around with these different settings. Once you're happy, hit OK. This then changes this to an RGB image that's burnt in, and you can hit File, Save As, TIFF as before.